town of Heidelberg is a bustle of activity today. It was shortly after 9 o'clock this morning that farmer Piet van Renen noticed something strange in the corner of one of his fields in his farm just outside of town.
Wel, ek was daar buite op my trekker besig in die noordelike kant van die lande toe roep een van my werkers my uit hiernatoe. Sê vir my hier's groot fout in die lande toe ek hier kom, toe sien ek die groot sirkel families wat platgestoot is. Ja, ek weet nie wat hier aangaan nie. Ek sal moet uitvind. Ek weet nie wie om te kontak nie, maar ons sal moet uitvind wat hier aangaan.
Authorities have confirmed that the circle measures 30 meters in diameter, and it looks as though the mealies have been pushed down into the ground.
There's no tracks or nothing here that I can say somebody came in with a vehicle or anything.
A large section of the farm has been cordoned off for further investigation. This report follows in the wake of a series of international crop circle sightings. This is Mandy Kruger, breaking news, Heidelberg, Gauteng.